3, 2 toys, 2 clean ears.
Oh God.
And 1 big house to run in. It's cool, ain't it? I know. Yeah, that's what's up, dog. You know it, boy. Huh? Yeah, you said it. Me too. Miles.
I thought they were dead. How you gonna bring up that line to kill my kid?
With all the G. Then the angels, this is the Snowman said, "You're wrong. You shouldn't do stuff like that." Ah, fuck you. Then she someone thing and he pushed him off. And then Cupid came down and said,
Are you sure let's keep it?
"Yes, this is no way to fall in love. This is Christmas. Cupid, go away. This is Christmas, not Valentine's Day." And Cupid lost his balance and he tumbled on down the hill.
How did keep it lose his balance? He's still flying.
Because of a baby.
He's still flying.
And the other Cupid came and said, "You should all know it's better to give than to receive. Because when you're giving, you are getting the coolest gift of all, appreciation and love." Don't be a Scrooge. The end. Check my booty. Ooh, oh, he got a booty. Look, check his booty. Ooh, booty. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Ta-da! Sing.